Now, NIO stock price on Friday finished trading at $6.75, down 1.1%. I mean, you will see that the others, like Leo, finished down 0.27%, trading at $22.51. You've got Xpeng down 0.8%, trading at $21.20. You've got Rivian there up 0.93%. Trading at $13.03. You've got Lucid down 4.38%. Trading at $19.63. Zika down 3.12%. Trading at $28.56. Last but not least, Tesla up 2.46%. Trading at $439 per share. Now, our very own NIO, like I said, it finished down 1.17%, trading at $6.75. But after market hours, we saw it turning to green, up 0.15%. In last week's alone, last 5 trading sessions, NIO was down 5.12%, but year to date, NIO it's still up 48.35%. NIO it is still up 29.31%, which is something that is very, very good, something that shows you that it's not bad at all, man. Yes, NIO has dropped a bit from the $8.01 that we saw 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, which was so great, right? But it's not a trend smash. The fundamentals have not changed. Yes, I know that one of the things that hurt the NIO stock, of course, or that slowed down the NIO stock, it was the statement or the lawsuit that came from the Singapore Wealth Fund that was shorting NIO, and when the NIO share price recovered, they lost a lot of money, which we have discussed and exhausted that part of the all what we need to say about that. And you know that, of course, NIO stock ended up even recovering that very same day, which is absolutely great. Some analysts have came and weighed in onto the stock, and they are saying, of course, we need to ignore that but focus on the ESA deliveries and the Envoy L90, which is something that is great, something that shows you that indeed blue sky is coming. So, my friends, I know share price wise we might not be getting what we want, but I'm telling you the time that we are in right now, especially looking at onto the NIO stock, these are interesting times, because this quarter that we are in, it is the quarter that NIO is expecting to break even. It's expecting to get to profitability, and that to investors who have been onto NIO, it's very, very important. It's extremely important, right? And you will know, you will know that NIO is currently also on a hiring spree, which we discussed, I think, 2 days ago, or if not 3, where they've asked the Chinese government to help them get 1,000 people in terms of getting employment onto their factories, helping with producing cars, because the demand that they have received of the L90, of the new NIO ES8, is just so much that they need to hire more staff. They need more manpower in order to take or increase the production capacity of NIO. NIO raised, I think, $1 billion or over $1 billion last month, and you know where that money is going to be used for. That money is not only going to be used to improve or grow their balance sheet, but it is also going to be used to help NIO get to that 150,000 deliveries, and that is catering for the supply chain issues that might usually come, and ensuring that deliveries get to grow and be increased, which is absolutely great. Something that, of course, as a new investor, it makes me to be really, really excited. So yes, share price wise, it might not be reflecting all the fundamentals that I'm telling you now, but look, man, blue sky is coming, and the NIO that we are seeing now, it's not the same as the NIO that we were seeing last year this time. It's not even the same NIO that we saw in the first half of this year. This one is a very much different NIO, a NIO that is going to get to profitability, and I'm telling you, the best time to invest into NIO, in my personal opinion, is right now, before they hit profitability, because once profitability comes, a lot of the investors are going to come and flood the NIO stores. A lot of the people, Chinese consumers, who have been hesitant probably to buy NIO cars because they don't know if it will still be existing in the next 10 years, will feel at ease and come and buy the NIO cars, which is absolutely great, something that is exciting. If there's one thing that sort of like boosted the deliveries of Li Auto, it is the fact that it is a profitable company, meaning that when people are buying the Li Auto cars, they know that if they are buying it from the car that is there, or from a company that is profitable. And I just don't know if they will remain profitable, but I can tell you that right now the competition in China, it's so tough in a way that who knows, there are chances, or you might see things, interesting things unfolding in the near future, and see some of the companies that were profitable turning to not being profitable again because of the competition that is right there in China. I mean, China's competition for EV cars, it's on another level. You will know that right now, if you're not innovating in China, if you are not having a nice user experience, your product is not as good, you don't get to be rewarded by the Chinese consumers coming and flooding your store and buying your cars. It has to be tested. Your product needs to be having better technology than the most cars that are in the ground or that are being sold right there in China, which is very, very interesting, and something that for you to make it, you need to have good products with high-end tech, and the services, after sales services that you give must be to the next level. And NIO, on all of these things that I'm mentioning, they're up there, which is why I believe that they are going to win at the end of the day, which is why I know for a fact that they are going to the next level, right? Because NIO, when it comes to technology innovation, you know they are there. When it comes to after sales services, you know they also offer premium experience there, which is absolutely great, and it gives me no doubt to say, it doesn't even give me a single doubt that NIO will do very, very well, which is why I remain long, I remain strong onto NIO, because I know that blue sky, it is coming. So yeah, my dear friends, I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Share price wise, I know NIO might not be doing the most, but this is a company which is expected to do very, very well. This is the company that will take us to the promised land, and these are my opinions, right? Those that are persevering will be rewarded with time. NIO stock price will do well, and hopefully this week we see more of a recovery onto the stock price. And yeah, just hope all goes well, right? But anyways, let me just leave this video here. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, because it takes me some time to make content like this. I will see you on the next one. That's all from me, and God bless you all.